Ryan, backstage Keystone Pro Wrestling's Against All Odds with the newly crowned World Heavyweight Champion, the KPW Champion, Lewis G. Rich. Lewis, congratulations on your win tonight.
I'm gonna need you to shut your little mouth with your ugly ties and your ill-fitting shirts and your Walmart shoes. You think I don't listen to 3 Count Thursday? You think I don't own a smartphone that I can listen to your little show every week? 100% odds that Facade was gonna win the 3-way, and then 100% odds Facade was gonna walk away as the new KPW Heavyweight Champion. Well, 100% you were wrong, fat man. So next time you open that little food hole that you have on your little face, how about you think twice before you breathe the words of Lewis G. Rich? I am Lewis G. Rich, and for a long time, I've been telling every single idiot in Lancaster that I was here to do one thing, and that is to injure my way to the top. And today is that day, because you are looking at the new KPW Heavyweight Champion.
Now, Lewis, do you not feel that your title victory tonight is a little bit tainted with the run-in of the Blue Masked Men, again, making their appearance here at KPW?
Tainted? Tainted? You're lucky I don't put hands on you right now. Tainted. You name another guy who wrestled in the beginning of the show and came out at the end of the show to win a title. You name one guy who's done that. You name one guy who has run through this roster like Lewis G. Rich. Tainted. I didn't see any blue guy when I was out there. The only thing I saw was my 2 knees hitting Von Schmidt square in the face, and then me hooking his leg for the 1, 2, 3. Is this interview over?
The interview's over. The new KPW Heavyweight Champion, Lewis G. Rich.